Hello, this is Emeke from SlideHub with the product update for June. Today's agenda has a lot of points. The first is that SlideHub is now in Word, Excel, and Outlook. We have SharePoint Back-up support. Our new feature text snippets is live. We have improved navigation. The CDN speed of SlideHub has improved, and there's also a short webinar recap at the end. SlideHub is now in Word, Excel, and Outlook. The SlideHub add-in is now available in Word, Excel, and Outlook to you for no extra cost. Our aims are to let you get more value from your existing SlideHub assets, provide a higher return with just one onboarding process, recapture the PowerPoint add-in experience in these programs, and give a familiar user experience so it is simple to adopt. Enjoy the benefits of SlideHub in Word. You can store your Word documents within SlideHub. You can start using SlideHub in Excel today already. Keep your Excel sheets in SlideHub. SlideHub is coming to Outlook this very week, so you will be able to send your assets with SlideHub in Outlook. The next feature I'm going to share with you is the SharePoint Back-up support. SlideHub now supports SharePoint Back-up. There is direct access to SlideHub assets from other applications, even for non-SlideHub users. We provide automatic backup of all company resources to a dedicated part of SharePoint. With this, we want to decrease pressure among IT teams and decision makers regarding company assets. And of course, we provide full transparency on the backup status. To enable SharePoint Backup support, please contact us. Our customer success team would be happy to set SharePoint Backup access for you at success@slidehub.io or schedule an appointment with us at savvycal.com/slidehub/success. The next feature I'm going to introduce to you is text snippets. The text snippets feature facilitates the sharing of knowledge accurately and quickly across organizations. Text snippets allow you to share the most up-to-date content knowledge across the organization by adding predefined text into documents. This provides better accuracy in content across all company documents. Examples of usage would be terms and conditions, names, positions and emails, company addresses, bank accounts, and more. With snippets, you can build a standardized company knowledge base regardless of the asset type and easily search company copy. Let me show you how. So first, I'm going to open the SlideHub tab and go to Insert Text Snippet. Here are a couple of the text snippets that are already added to the SlideHub organization, like terms and conditions, employees. For example, if I wanted to add myself to the document, I'd just go here, press copy, close, and then add my name. This way I can make sure that my name is spelled correctly. You can see the O here is a bit more complicated than usual, and that my position is correct across all company documents, because when anyone of the team needs my information, they're able to go straight to text snippets and insert it. All right, so the next step is for me to show you how you can make a new text snippet. Just go to Manage Text, and here I go to Add New. Now I'm going to add my office hours. From Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Continue. Next step is to decide what categories to add this information to. I'm going to choose company profile, information, and here you could add more categories or add tags as well. So let's save and continue. The new text snippet has been created successfully. So I'm going to go to the overview. And here I can just click on copy. And now I could add it to the document. All right, let's continue. The SlideHub navigation has undergone significant improvement in the last few months. All team-specific asset types now have an improved navigation flow. Previously, we received feedback that our navigation structure was confusing, especially for teams. By improving this aspect of SlideHub platform, we hope to enhance the experience of utilizing the platform and advance team usage of asset types available to them. What has changed? We've implemented a vault-based structure for easier access and navigation. We have expanded team settings and asset types significantly. Let me show you. After clicking on the Insert SlideHub Slides button, the window opens in the company vault, which for me is the SlideHub vault. On the left-hand side here, you can see the news vault and asset structure. Just select the asset you need: slides, icons, images, documents, sheets, text snippets. And within them, you will always see first the company vault, then your personal vault, and finally any team vault that you belong to. This for me is the designer success team. And this you can find in all of the various assets. Updated slides now takes up more real estate than it did previously, making it easier for you to double check if you have any updates that are relevant. For managers, setting accesses for teams is now much more straightforward. All you have to do is go to the Users and Teams, click on Teams here, go to the team you want to update, and then in Team Settings, you can set the team assets. So here I can set if only team managers can add team assets or everyone can. I can decide if I want to disable or enable team slides, icons, images. Basically, for each asset type we have, managers can set who has access to them, making it much easier to be consistent in branding and in style across the whole company. You should now experience improved CDN speed when you're using SlideHub. We have improved CDN speed across all company assets. What is a CDN? A CDN, Content Delivery Network, is a network of interconnected servers that speeds up web page loading for data-heavy applications. SlideHub platform only uses EU-based CDNs to host assets. This is so that we work according to GDPR. Providing the option for organizations to select their preferred CDN location, EU, USA, APEC, Middle East, is being considered as a future plan. June's product update could be considered as a recap of the quarterly product webinar. It was great to share our news and plans with you at the quarterly product webinar. Thank you if you joined us on Tuesday, June 27, 2023 at 3 p.m. CST on our live video call. You can watch the replay for more in-depth details about the previously introduced features and learn about our next steps. We will share the link in the vicinity of this video. We look forward to having you at our next one, and we hope you will join us on our journey as we roll out SlideHub platform to more programs from the Office suite. Thank you for your attention, and we hope that we can continue helping you build better presentations faster.